Keeping your pool's cyanuric acid level below 100 parts per million is key to making sure your chlorine actually works and your water stays crystal clear. So here's the deal with cyanuric acid, or CYA as some call it. Think of it like sunscreen for your pool chlorine. If your CYA is too low and the water temperature is chill, you can just leave it be, no stress. But once the water warms up, sunlight starts munching on your chlorine way faster, so you gotta keep an eye on chlorine levels more often. If your CYA creeps above 100 parts per million, chlorine stops doing its job right, which means you could end up with cloudy or even slimy water. To fix that, the best move is to drain some water and add fresh water to bring the level back down. Then use unstabilized chlorine like calcium hypochlorite to keep things balanced without adding more CYA. Just a heads up, calcium hypochlorite can be dangerous around stuff like brake fluid or antifreeze because it might catch fire on its own, so handle it super carefully and store it away from anything sketchy. Always test your water regularly, like every couple of days during swimming season, so you're never caught off guard by weird chemical levels. Trust me, consistent checks save you time and money in the long run. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cyanuric acid in pools is ignoring regular testing, which leads to either too high or too low levels messing up chlorine's effectiveness. Another common issue is overusing stabilized chlorine products without balancing CYA, causing buildup that's hard to fix without draining and refilling a chunk of water. Lastly, improper storage and handling of calcium hypochlorite can cause dangerous accidents. So never mix it with automotive chemicals and always keep it in a cool, dry place. Fix these by setting a testing schedule, using unstabilized chlorine when topping off the pool, and following safety guidelines strictly for chemicals. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors for pool maintenance or any other big jobs around the house. And for contractors, it's a great way to connect with new clients ready to get work done without all the hassle of searching around.